People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know.
Come to Landfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
In a the garrison, we witness it a lot. Friends set up, friend get rob and shot. Max and him friend them a chill out pan the block. As him turn him back, him them a jeer and a mock. So forget ready for rape him crop. By him best friend him get film poop pop. Kim asked him fi build a split for him and the boy season it with crack. That's why you see me not trust mankind. Not just now, from long time. Me see good friend kill them best friend. For shilling, pence, nickel and dime. Watch on the one first see the image of the voice and a lion for 10 years and eyes. Big up all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. Yeah man. So right, I'm seeing at the star. Female farmer hit hard by thieves. I mean I say John no star. Wicked, you know. You see how you have to wait months for your thing them are growing and get ready for reap, you know. And you wake up in the morning and say nothing. You see me? After the break.
People production. DJ want it, your mixtape them want it, them hot. Is it fancy that?
Every girl, yeah, bump on it like a cheer baby. Come sit down on it. Wind up, girl, twerk on it. When you see the light, don't run from it. Now rhythm, every girl, yeah, bump on it like a cheer baby. Come sit down on it. Wind up, girl, twerk on it. When you see the light, don't run from it.
Chop, mass.
What get them salad and hold them pile. Top baller, man a top baller. When I me run the game, man a shot caller. Top baller, man a top baller. What get them salad and hold them pile. Top baller, man a top baller. When I me run the game, man a shot caller.
Run the world, but me a the world boss. Airplane mode, me stay in a first class. Air hostess just can't make me pass. Up in a me ears, no question I ask. She a check out the rolling, check out the clocks. Do the maths and she don't know the cost. And I miss like she catch rich craft. You don't know the shrimp, says a bra for your bra.
Love me want to be back up your foot with the fuck now, girl. Turn back way for the fuck now, girl. Skip out your leg for the fuck now, girl. Man a gangsta, up on me not just now, girl. Back up your foot for the fuck now, girl. Up on your head for the fuck now, girl. Come on for that for the fuck now, girl. Need chip up, up on me not just now, girl.
Hey girl, me want beat up kabasha. Come here, so come wine and back it up. Set foot like cement one side, girl, your pussy so fat, but one double tap it up. Hey girl, me want beat up kabasha. Come here, so come wine and back it up. Set foot like cement one side, girl, your pussy so fat, but one double tap it up.
Freedom of speech. Everybody say freedom of speech. Everybody say freedom of speech. None of them can stop Mafia from speak. When we say freedom of speech, we say again freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. Well, the other one I will have with them. Some are real and them one job. They use some are great and them one job. They use some are river and them one job. Tell them now to breathe. They go road go rob. They use some are Delhi Green Lane one job. They use some are Scale Lane one job. They use some are Look Club Lane one job. Tell them now to breathe. They go road go rob. Full and a run over. If fire put them in it done but it no over. The cup full and a run over. Them so corrupt but cha-cha love and turn them over.
Welcome back. 9 to 5 rhythm. Juggling various artists. Go and check it out. Saying, yes man, I don't know your support is highly appreciated. You get what me I say? I'm never planning to pick on that, you know. Damn crazy song, you know. Top baller, shot caller. Some man figure do them homework and invent and stop thief and copy and borrow and pirate. Yeah man, but I'm going to do that in our next vlog. See? Yeah man, big up them crazy. Top baller, the original shot caller. The man with the tar them. But any of my people, see, I'm seeing at the star. You know, this lady, she growing her stuff, her food, to feed her family and also to sell, to make a living, single mother. Zine, I remember seeing that star, I said, boy, I have to put this on the platform. I said, Jaja, people wicked, you know. You have some boy, you know. Them don't want to look no work, you know. Them don't want to lift to shovel and cement. You know what I mean? And lay to block or out in the sun, you know what I mean? Go pack truck or something. There's many ways to know say it's hard. But you have some boy that's want to thief people things and grab them phone and bag. You see me? And putting their lives at risk, endangering their own lives before they go try and do something honest. See? So this lady I know, you see me? Brahms Farm in Woodland District was raided by thieves who escaped with more than 70,000 worth of products. Jaja. Wickedness. See? Jano. Shakira Abraham, you don't know, big up yourself, Empress, stay strong, and I know you get help already, so yeah man, just leave them to time, leave them to God, you know? Yeah, St. Elizabeth, my father's place. A farmer was getting ready to reap the benefits of her months of hard labor. Now has nothing to look forward to for Christmas. You saw how wicked them is? Eh? You go your thing and them come take it, you know. Yeah man, and the bee I say, yo, I'm out here for 3 months, toiling, spending on my crops and making plans for my money. Then when it finally comes, someone else reap it without my consent. It really hurts and it's a big setback. Graham told the Star. Big setback, yes. Imagine you work so hard, some crop take 3 months, more than that. If you get ready for pick, for reap, you know what I mean? And you have to pray, the man, I pray for your things. Not saying this man can be a woman too. I pray for you, watch you, and I get ready if you say, yeah man, time now. When you go to sleep, I say I wake up in the morning for reap your thing, you're gone. I study them turn out there at Jamaica. Wicked. You see me? I love my Jamaican and my people living about. We're too wicked against one another, man. Fight against one another too much and bring down one another too much. See, the 25-year-old single mother of 2 who has been farming since she was a teenager revealed that the thieves preyed on her for a 2-week period. See? She added, most of us farmers are single moms and we have a family to maintain and the children looking up to us. My family is waiting for me to come through with whatever I'm doing. So if I lose with my farming, I lose at home. Jano style. You hear the bee say? If she loses in her farming, she loses at home because her family are dependent on her. She's a single mother of 2. And enough boy now go farm and dig up some ground and grab the fork, you know, and say you're going to farm and plant, you know. And this Empress at 25, she grew in farming from she look at her farm, and that's the only way out. Me tired of telling you, say farm, go and farm. Money left on farming. You have some young youth who do them farmer. Hey, big up the farmer artists, them 3 youth there, you know. Yeah man. Enough people are farm. Big up fire look to the farmer. Above rocks, rock hard. See? Money left on farming youths. You know the land of Jamaica and country. Go and use it up wisely. So this be a 25-year-old and she do a farming. See, and the man them come and stole it from her. Stole all her crops. Ram that ram. Why for that? The man and God go them and give them a beating. See? 25-year-old female, mother of 2. Plant up her things for weeks and months and wait for reap. I say she'll have some in her house and sell some, have some money for Christmas. Gone. Cha-cha. See? Graham publicized her ordeal in a video on social media days ago, and persons not only sent words of encouragement, some opted to contribute. So she got the event and I said, well, look out for people, they were thief and this is what happened to her, and it turned out all good. So people volunteer to help in many ways, you know, maybe give her money or help, you know, funding back, put her back on her feet, and that is good. And Livefoot want to say respect to all those people who has contributed to help put back, you know what I mean, the young Empress on her feet again, to go back to farming, you see me? Yeah, man. For real, man. Yeah. Wicked them. Thief them. Yeah, man. So you don't know Miss Braham, big up yourself, and you don't know all the best with your farming. You know what I mean? Sharika, all the best. Shirka, all the best with your farming. And you don't know, look out for them, man. You see me, you want to get out to big back while I'm in the yard, to big dog. And train them off to bite thief. Not nobody else in just will bite thief. Yeah, we take bad things and laugh, you know. Big up all our viewers and subscribers for Kings and Queen, be lion this. You don't know, I hope all is blessed. It's a little bit for a lion foot. I don't know about.
Rastafari Birdlegs in ADE Prints and Design giving a vibration for the advertisement of ADE Photo Studio. Yes, we are here in 45 Royal Lane Market. ADE Print. T-shirts, photographs, hats, almanacs, CD, DVD, all different type of paraphernalia we print in ADE and assist the community. Almanacs, anything that you think of, we're here to assist in printing and design. Rastafari.